Suddenly one morning, I had a problem. There was some few drops of blood which started coming out with my urine. I am Partha Bardhan. I am from Delhi. I have a long history of prostate infection and I contacted my urologist who was out of town. He suggested few tests and with the test reports I met him, and after a few more conversation and medication, the problem was still not going and nothing was being found in the test. So I thought, okay, I need to talk to some alternate urologist to see whether, since the problem has not been resolved, nothing has been found, whether I really need to go through the procedure or not. So I contacted my cardiologist, and he and from some other friends I got Dr. Taneja's reference, saying that we can go to Dr. Rajesh Tanja of Apollo and consult him. I contacted him. He went through the background, the reports, and gave me a medicine. And to my utter surprise, after having the first dose of the medicine, my problem vanished. I saw him after 5 days and he said, okay, but that procedure may be still a good thing to do because we still do not know the root cause of your problem. And we agreed, and that's how first procedure on me was done on end of March, which is known as cystoscopy. And the 5th of May, suddenly things turned bad. I started feeling very bad. I had higher fever. By the evening, it turned into a chill and shivering. So when we contacted him, he said rush to the hospital immediately, and was diagnosed with urinary tract infection which has spread into prostate. So it became prostatitis, and from prostate it has reached into my bloodstream. Luckily, the medicine suggested by Dr. Rajan was on the point. It was right for that type of infection. So although I got detected with sepsis, but due to the medication, I started improving rapidly. This medication continued. I got released, went back home, moved from intravenous injections to oral. Things were going well. The moment the oral I stopped, within 2 days, I had the recurrence of the problem. So I came back, got admitted again. This time with a higher dose of antibiotic went on. He also did an MRI on me for the prostate and found that the prostate not only has infections, but it has plenty of many abscesses inside, and which is the root cause of the problem I have been facing. So initially he was not in favor of doing a surgery because of my past history of urethra problem, but then he decided that since I am suffering and nothing is not helping me by medication, so he decided to finally go for a surgery, and I had the prostatectomy with drainage of the abscesses on 11th of July. I am now good. Today my catheter got removed, and post-catheter removal there is no problem in my urine flow or anything. What I find him is that his degree of confidence, always smiling face, and that gives back the confidence to the patient. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Rajesh Taneja and his team. They have been very nice and supportive. Whenever Dr. Taneja was not available, I have been able to reach them and get their help and guidance. I also like to thank Apollo Hospital for providing the good service and care, and the areas wherever the improvements are required, I am sure they are looking into it and make them better over the years. Thank you.